So tell me, what do I get on the basic program?
So the basic or standard program, whatever you want to call it, it's $5 a month, and then plus an additional 4 cents a transaction. So crazy cheap. I mean, less than the cost of a Big Mac meal at McDonald's each month.
Exactly right. Yeah.
You know, I mean, so it's like it's just a total no-brainer. The package includes a virtual terminal. With that virtual terminal, you can have multiple different logins. So if you have different employees that need to be logged in, they can have different permissions with those. It's also a multi-merchant style. So think of if you have a set of dental offices. Maybe they have 8 different locations. They can link all 8 of those 8 locations into one account. So it's multi-merchant, making it easier for those merchants to manage all of those different businesses. Beyond that, they can store customer data. So think, for example, if you had, say, a church, they wanted to go in and accept donations from a customer, they keep that credit card information, that customer information on file, so that if 6 months later they want to make another donation, they can just call back to that same information and make it easy to perform that transaction. That information is also safe, secure, and truncated, so not even the merchant has access to the credit card information.
Exactly.
Beyond that, you also have level 2 and level 3 processing. You want to tell us a little bit more about your story with Peter Bisconti?
We have a great story with Peter, but as far as level 2, level 3 goes, guys, if you're not aware, you get more information when you run the transaction, and the cost of that transaction gets reduced by the card issuing bank. And so we ran this story a couple weeks back where one of my agents, Peter, had signed this huge merchant doing a couple $100,000 a month and offered him level 3 processing. So a month transpired. We looked at their bill last month. Their rates did go lower. They're happy with level 3 processing. So Peter got a big old referral chain from this guy, and so it's turning into more business for him. And so guys, level 2, level 3, it should be a hot topic. Anybody taking business cards, it's all part of the standard program with Paytrace. Nothing additional for it. Just get this additional information, and your cost goes down by doing what you're already doing.
And then above and beyond that too, you also have customized data fields. So say you have an auto mechanic who's looking to keep track of invoice numbers and link those to the transactions, they can include that. Say you had a dental office that's performing procedures that they need to go and report to insurance companies so that they can get the right reimbursements, they can keep track of those data fields. And if you're large companies out there, it can add multiple different dimensions to their business to help to make them more efficient and find out how it is that they're doing business.
I think what's cool about this program is that it's geared for anybody, right? It's so customizable that you can fit it for any merchant. The dental office, you can have a hotel use it and set it up for, adding a room number, right? You can have, like you said, the auto mechanic. Anybody can use it. It's so customizable. So that's your standard
package.
That's
a standard package. So, I mean, can you believe it? It's like a 5-minute list.
What more?
Right? So we bump it up to the pro package. It's $10 a month, same 4-cent transaction fee, and then we add in recurring billing. So think of like, gyms or gym memberships.
Self-storage.
Exactly. You want to bill them the same amount to the customer every single week or every single month. They can go in and set out those expiration dates and set out those time frames, save them time on that billing. And then there's also a number of a la carte features, with Paytrace. So it's an e-commerce gateway. They do hosted e-commerce. They've got a really simple and easy to use API platform for developers. That package is an additional $10 a month. Beyond that,
that package, the integration package also includes invoicing, right? Which is my favorite feature about Paytrace is you have the ability to email an invoice, a customizable invoice with your logo and looks like your website essentially, right out to your customer. So rather than having to call and track down people to give you a payment over the phone, you send them an email, they click the link, they make a payment all through Paytrace's platform.
And just to be clear, the email invoicing package is an additional $5 a month.
Correct.
Okay,
that's the integration.
Right, exactly. So then, you have options, from small to large, from retail and professional services businesses to manufacturing companies, B2B businesses, and then other companies that are working with municipalities of all sizes.
That's right.